游戏已经结束了，现在各位老师可以弯腰低头解开安全卡扣了，弯腰低头解开安全卡扣。
Oh my gosh. Ironically, yeah. Oh, it's so bright. Yeah. Easy. Ironically, it's the least fun trip. And it's so cloudy. But we're not through the clouds. We're almost there. Say it again. We're not through the clouds. But we're There are still some clouds. Oh no! Oh! It's so high! Oh! Are you serious? We're so high up right now. I'm terrified. Oh my God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh my God. China right there. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Oh, that was amazing.
That was pretty.
No,
everybody told me that was insane. And the near misses.
I have nothing there. They lost a lot of shit there.
And there was 2 AirPods that flew out.
AirPods?
Yeah, 2 AirPods flew out.
Oh no.